Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Can you hear my dog? I'm Marissa if you're new here, and today's video I am sharing with you guys 5 skincare items that changed my entire life. So I have them all in this bag right here, and these are just items that personally changed my skin, helped me with acne, and overall just changed my skincare game. So let's just jump right into the video. So to begin, my #1 skincare item that changed my entire life is water. Honestly guys, drinking a lot of water is so good for your skin. It just keeps your skin very hydrated, very plump, and it also will help with, you know, acne and pimples. The more water you have, the less dry your skin's going to be. And if you're anything like me, when my skin gets super dry, I tend to break out a lot, which is why I'm currently breaking out just a little bit, because the weather like changed from being super hot to kind of cold, and my skin's getting really dry. So I've just been drinking a gallon of water a day. This is a 64-ounce water bottle that I got off of Amazon, and I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. I try to drink 2 to 3 of these a day, which is a gallon and a half. But drinking just 1 of these a day will definitely change your life. Next up is this face wash. If you've been watching me for a while, you guys know this is my holy grail face wash. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. And just, hold on, focus. It just looks like this. I got the one with the pump this time, but I think that finding the perfect face wash is going to make or break your skin. Like, that is just it. You have to find like that good base. It's like where it starts. So this obviously cleans your face so well. It takes off any makeup. It leaves your skin feeling like a baby's butt. Like, I guess that's not the best like description, but it's true. Baby skin is so freaking soft, and this makes your skin feel like that after you cleanse it. It's insane. But I just think that finding your like a good face wash, like I said, will make or break your skincare, because that is what is cleaning your face. So you have to find a good face wash that, you know, does the job, really gets all the dirt and the grime off, clears out your pores and all of that stuff in order to, you know, have nice skin and keep it clear. This is great. This is also for sensitive skin, so there's no fragrance, and it removes surface oils, makeup, dirt, and impurities. My 3rd item that seriously changed my skincare life is this little moisturizer right here. Now this is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer. It's so cute, and it's literally like souffle. It's like freaking mousse, and it smells so good. Finding a good moisturizer is also like the face wash. It's going to make or break your skin. That is it, period, okay? And I have been through multiple moisturizers to find the perfect one. This is it. I actually really like the First Aid Beauty one. I've just talked about it way too much, and I just recently, you know, discovered this, and I don't know, I think it blows that one away. But First Aid Beauty will always be my favorite. This one though really changed the game. So to begin, this is a very hydrating moisturizer. Now I think that if you have super oily skin, you might want to refrain. Only because when you first put it on, it's a tad oily, I'd say, but then your skin kind of like soaks it up, and you're not oily anymore. But I just don't think it would work that well on someone who's like super oily. I think it's more, you know, towards like combination skin. But if you have really dry skin, girl, you need to try this, because it is amazing. So what I love about this is the thickness. Like, it's very bouncy, and when you put it on, like, it literally looks like pudding. okay? And I'm gonna put on my hand here. It is so moisturizing. It's unreal. And it's really good for like the winter months too, because my skin gets super dry. But hopefully you can kind of see the difference. This one is just, look, a lot more shinier and hydrated, where this one is just kind of dull. And one, it smells like bananas. It's so good. I don't find that the fragrance breaks me out at all. This, usually when I try new products, I tend to break out, which is when I'm like, I know it doesn't work. This has not made me break out at all. I use this morning and night. I swear my skin has never looked better. It just keeps my skin so hydrated, so plump, youthful. I mean, yeah, I'm only 22, but it makes your skin just look so freaking plump. Ooh, it looks like you just like got Botox. One thing that changed my skincare life are these little guys, okay? So these are just some Japanese, but you can get them anywhere. They're just like the little face razors, and I dermaplane my face with this. Now, I know some estheticians are gonna come on this page and be like, that's so bad, no, you don't do that, but I don't really care. For me, it works. Okay, one, it's like $7 for a pack of 4. You can get them cheaper on Amazon, like $5, I think. And you don't have to spend like $70 to get your face dermaplaned, okay? So basically they're just little face razors. And I just will go in like, depending on what I need. I do it about once a month. And I will get off all of the dead skin, all the peach fuzz, and it just makes your products soak into your skin a lot better, because there's no dead skin clogging clogging up your pores, and it gets all the peach fuzz off, which is nice, so your face feels seriously so smooth and soft, and it's great. My skin always looks so good afterwards. Now the thing with doing this is, because you're getting off the peach fuzz, sometimes I do find like little blackheads after. Again, I just have sensitive skin, but I don't mind them. Like honestly, I'll just go pick out the, I'll just pop the blackhead and call it a day. But I do notice your skin will go like just a little bit crazy afterwards. But after that, it looks so good and soft. Like my face is dermaplaned right now. But your products, man, I swear, they just soak into the skin so good and really get the job done at that rate. Last product are these guys. These have changed my freaking life. I wish I came out with these, because I'd probably be super rich right now, because these are great. So they have all different brands. My favorite brand is the Mighty Patch, but I just got these, the Hanhu Extra Strength Blemish Patch. Looks like that. I got these at Walmart. They didn't have the Mighty Patch. I think you get those at Target. But basically, they are like pimple patches. So, I don't know if you've never seen them before, this is what they look like. They're just these little dots that if you have a pimple, you put these little things right on the pimple, leave it for 6 to 8 hours, and it sucks all of the gunk out of your pimple. It is amazing. So I do this at night whenever I have a pimple. I just stick it on and it sucks out all of the gunk. In the morning when I take it off, it's so satisfying. You can see like the white stuff on that little patch when you take it off. It's really cool. Hydrocolloid. They're formulated with salicylic acid. It breaks down congested pores to treat, prevent, and clear blemishes, and they protect the blemish from dirt, debris, and infections. Which this is also good if you pop pimples like I do. Like I have to always pop them. So I will pop the pimple and then I'll put this on, because now you have like kind of like an open wound, I would say. So I like to put this on afterwards. That way no gunk kind of like gets inside of it, and it doesn't like not go away, if that makes sense. Because I feel like sometimes if you like pop a pimple and then you get dirt in it, it takes forever for it to heal up and it could get infected, and it's really gross. So I also do that as well, but I like to use these especially when I have like one of those like deep under the skin pimples that like gives you a headache, but you can't pop it. It's so annoying. throw this bad boy on it at nighttime, wake up, and I swear it is 10 times smaller and does not hurt. That is it for this video. Those are the 5 products that really have just changed the skincare game for me. They have either just transformed my skin, helped my skin, and just made sure I'm living my best life, you know, because you feel more confident when you're feeling good and your face looks good. You know, we all have those days where we have like such a big pimple and we feel very insecure. I just think that these products help with that, and I think having a good skincare routine helps with your confidence. So these are the products that I live, love, swear by. I will leave them linked down below for you. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, bye.